talked about energy efficiency in the LED approach on these big lights. What about the lifetime of the light? What's the difference between, I mean, a lot of these older versions are gas fueled, as I understand it. What's the lifetime difference?
So traditional incumbent technologies are typically high pressure sodium lighting, gas discharge sources, ceramic metal halide, and other metal halide lamps. The lifetime on those devices range from 10,000 to maybe 30,000 hours. The problem with those type of light sources is that their lumen depreciation, or the amount of light they have when you first turn them on till when they depreciate or get dimmer, is somewhat short. So they do tend to get dimmer over time. LEDs, the lifetime is also denoted by a metric called lumen depreciation, but we're seeing that in the range of 50 to 70,000 hours, so quite an extended amount of time. With LEDs, we tend to see, when they're first adopted, a lot of cool white light sources being used. And the advantage there, again, is they're efficient. Okay, that's why they use them. But when you come to the dark sky people, with the bluer the light, the shorter wavelength, you get more scattering within the atmosphere. And that can cause some level of sky glow. But with LEDs, because they are directional, we can actually put light exactly where we need it, reduce some of the scattering in the night sky, and therefore reduce a lot of the reflections. As we move now towards warmer light sources for outdoor lighting, that becomes less of a problem because there is less scattering in the atmosphere. But I think even today with the incumbent technologies, the way lighting is applied in roadway conditions, they're trying to maximize the pole spacings and using these more scattering type of optics, which can cause problems. So whenever you're flying into a city, for example, you can see what good lighting is and what poor lighting is just based on the layout of the light on the ground and how you can see that from the airplane. So if you can't see these scattering elements off the light fixture, you know, it's a good design. We do see, again, based on these results from U.S. Department of Energy, the Illumination Engineering Society have done case studies to show how well the fixture is used, how survey the residents and the people there in the environment, how does the light look, is it agreeable to what you're used to. And those have all shown very favorably with LED technology. So I think that, coupled with obviously satisfaction surveys and the really looking at the energy usage and performance, all look very nice.